Section 1. History and Foundations of Swedish Massage Intro. Swedish massage is one of the most well-known and widely practiced forms of massage in the world. For many people, it's their very first introduction to massage therapy. But despite its popularity, few people know where it actually came from or why it became the foundation of modern Western massage. In this section, we'll explore the history of Swedish massage, who developed it, and the core techniques that define it. The origins of Swedish massage. Swedish massage is most commonly associated with Per Henrik Ling, a Swedish physiologist, fencing instructor, and medical researcher who lived in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. Ling developed a system called the Swedish movement cure, which combined physical exercise, stretching manual therapy, early knowledge of anatomy and physiology. His goal was not relaxation, but improving physical health and function through structured movement and hands-on techniques. Interestingly, Ling himself did not formally codify massage strokes the way we know them today. The role of Johann Georg Mesger. The techniques that define Swedish massage were later refined by Johann Georg Mesger, a Dutch physician. Mesger systematized massage techniques, assigned them French terminology, helped integrate massage into medical treatment. Thanks to Mesger, Swedish massage became accepted in European medical communities and eventually spread to the United States. Why Swedish massage became the standard, Swedish massage became the foundation of Western massage because it was gentle and adaptable, easy to teach and standardize, based on anatomy and circulation, appropriate for a wide range of people. Today, most massage styles taught in Western schools are built on Swedish massage principles. The 5 core techniques of Swedish massage. Effleurage, long gliding strokes used to warm muscles and relax the nervous system. Petrissage, kneading and lifting movements that release tension, friction, small focus movements to address tight areas. Tapotement, rhythmic tapping or chopping to stimulate muscles. Vibration, gentle shaking to soothe muscles and nerves. These techniques form the backbone of Swedish massage practice. Section 2. Benefits, effects, and pros and cons. In this section, we'll look at what Swedish massage actually does for the body and mind, along with its strengths and limitations. Physical benefits of Swedish massage. Muscle relaxation. Swedish massage helps reduce muscle tension caused by stress, poor posture, prolonged sitting, everyday physical strain, improved circulation. The long flowing strokes increase blood flow, helping tissues receive oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. Lymphatic support, gentle pressure, supports lymphatic drainage, which can help reduce swelling and fluid retention. Improved flexibility, relaxed muscles and connective tissue allow for easier, more comfortable movement. Mental and emotional benefits. Stress reduction. Swedish massage activates the parasympathetic nervous system, encouraging a state of calm and relaxation. Reduced anxiety and low mood massage has been shown to lower cortisol, increase serotonin and dopamine, better sleep. Many people report deeper and more restful sleep following Swedish massage sessions. Pros of Swedish massage. Ideal for beginners, gentle and non-invasive, excellent for relaxation, safe for most age groups, supports overall wellness. Cons of Swedish massage. May not reach deep muscle layers, less effective for chronic pain, pressure may feel too light for some, not designed for injury. Rehabilitation. Swedish massage is best described as restorative rather than corrective. Section 3. Comparisons and who it's best for. In this final section, we'll compare Swedish massage to other popular massage styles and help you determine who benefits most from it. Swedish massage versus other types. Swedish versus deep tissue massage. Swedish, relaxation focused, lighter pressure. Deep tissue, pain focused, deeper pressure. Swedish versus sports massage. Swedish, stress relief and general wellness. Sports massage, performance, recovery, injury prevention. Swedish versus Thai massage. Swedish, passive, oil-based. Table massage, Thai, active, clothed, stretching-based. Swedish versus hot stone massage. Hot stone massage builds on Swedish techniques but adds heat for deeper muscle relaxation. Det var ej who should choose. Swedish Massage. Swedish Massage is ideal for first-time massage clients, people with high stress levels, those seeking relaxation rather than pain relief, older adults, anyone wanting overall mind-body balance. Final conclusion: Swedish massage remains one of the most popular massage styles in the world because it is simple, effective, and accessible. It offers a gentle pathway to relaxation, stress relief, and overall wellness, and serves as the foundation for many other massage techniques practiced today. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, subscribe. For more wellness education, comment below with your experience with Swedish massage. Thank you for watching.